Do you want to create high-converting landing pages for your business? Here's what you'll need. 10 minutes of your time. A good offer or product for which you want to create landing page. And a trial account of Kwikcart. Step 1. Sign up for a Kwikcart trial account. Simply head over to the kwikcart.io and create a trial account. Step 2. Create a store landing page or funnel using templates. Log in to Kwikcart and create your store landing page using 1000 plus pre-made templates. Step 3. Link your domain or subdomain. Simply go to the dashboard and navigate to domains and add domains. Once you're finished setting up your store, start promoting it and send traffic using various platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Step 5. Set up advanced integrations and tracking. Simply go to Kwikcart's Integration tab and choose the tools that you want to integrate. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your high-converting landing page with Kwikcart today.